tadpoles, cyborg tadpoles.
Cyborg tadpoles. This is from Harvard. Researchers have developed a device that they implanted into the proto-brain of a very early stage tadpole. But then the device merged into the brain and grew with it as the tadpole grows. So that you ended up with this really intimate hybrid of electronic device and tadpole brain. So it's a proper cyborg.
Exactly, it becomes integrated, it grows with it, and apparently seemingly does no harm. So in the past we've had to rely on hard electrode wires which get stuck into the brain, but that can only give a sort of snapshot of the development at that one moment. So now they've used a material where the softness sort of matches that of the brain, and they used it to build a soft, stretchable mesh microelectrode array, which they placed onto a tadpole's neural plate, which is this quite accessible structure. It's sort of flat, but it folds up to become the neural tube, and that is the precursor for the brain.
Could you use this implant on mammals?
They've already grown them in rats, but it hasn't been sort of turned on as such yet, so the experiment's underway. But we could learn a lot more about conditions like autism and schizophrenia, so if you have animal models for those conditions, it's not a perfect match, but you can see sort of how the brain develops whilst having those conditions sort of coexisting.